12 AI tools that are changing everything. AI tools for writing. Copy.ai is weak, Jasper AI is good, and ChatGPT is best. The second part is AI tools for image generation. DALL is weak. It generates a simple cartoon-style illustration. Stable Diffusion is good, detailed digital artwork with better textures and lighting. Midjourney is best, ultra-realistic cinematic portrait appearing with dramatic lighting and depth.
The third part is AI tools for video generation. Pika is weak, short AI-generated animation. Runway is good, smooth cinematic AI scene motion. Sora is best, highly realistic AI-generated cinematic and minor lighting.
The fourth part is automation AI tools. IFTTT is weak, basic automation connecting two apps. Zapier is good, multiple apps connected through automated workflow. Make is best, advanced automation system controlling many apps and dashboards simultaneously. The future belongs to those who use AI. AI is evolving fast. Use the right tools.